In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change password on Gmail. You can simply change your Google account password in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Gmail account. Tap on these three lines right here. Then select Settings. Tap right here on Account. Select this first option. Slide to the second option right here. You will have to scroll down onto the option of Password. To change to another password, you will have to first enter your current password first. Then proceed to change to another password. If failed to change, simply double-check if you have entered your current password correctly. Then update your Gmail app and try again the whole process. That's how easy it is to change to another password on your Google Gmail account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.